What's up, guys? Thanks for joining in. Today I want to talk to you about TSS and just kind of educate you a little bit on that. I've learned a lot over the last couple years myself. First things first, TSS kills through hemorrhaging. It does not have the energy transfer that lead shot does, which is why it kills differently. So you'll notice some different things will happen. Your birds sometimes will react a little later because the pellets literally fly through them, break through their skull and spine and everything. It's very odd how it works, but they also flop less. Lead kills by knockdown power, the transfer of energy. You're not getting a lot of passing through at the longer yardages. And I believe it takes less pellets to kill with lead, especially at those longer yardages. But the advantage of TSS is you just get so many pellets. So let's get into this. So first off, we've got the Rossi SS 410 chambered for a 3-inch shell. And as always, let's check our firearm here, make sure it's unloaded. On this gun, I have the SwampFox Kingslayer. I've been pretty impressed by it. It is a reflex sight, so you would call it a red dot. It's actually green though. It's really cool. I'll try to show you the reticle here in a second. And then the other thing we have that we've paired with it, which is extremely impressive, is the Indian Creek choke. And it is a constriction of 385. So what we've figured out is that this gun can shoot way farther than you'd ever believe. Today, we're going to show you what Bryce Hensley's Trot Ammo can do through this little Rossi Youth 410 here. We have 9.5 shot and then a duplex load that actually piques my interest. It is a 9.5 and 10 mixed duplex load. So that's going to be pretty neat to check out and check at the different yardages. We're not going to really shoot a lot close range simply because we already know that this, without TSS and a nice choke at 20 yards, is going to kill a bird. We know that already. We want to see what it's going to do where people doubt it at 40 and 50 and 60 and so on. So let's check it out. All right, we got 20 yards here. Let's see, with a 9.5 383 stroker. God. Wow. $60. It's tough to hold on them that far away. Let's go see what happened. "60 yards. That is a dead bird. And that is the 385 stroker, or 383 stroker, 9.5 by 10 duplex. That's a smoked bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm calling at least 6 pellets in there. That's insane. Alrighty. Let's try that 9.5 and see what we got. "60 yards. Oh. Hold her steady. .383 stroker, 9.5, 60 yards. I believe I'll be going with a 9.5. Wow. Well, we just got done reviewing the Fox Trot Ammo. Out of my 410, it's a Rossi Tuffy turkey, 26-inch barrel with a 385 Indian Creek choke. We reviewed the 9.5 and the duplex load of 9.5 and 10 shot. And it looks like the 9.5 outperformed at longer yardage, maybe a little, but in my opinion, they're both dead birds. There's 5+ pellets in the kill, not including grazers and stuff that's just inside, and things we couldn't even see. So I'm pretty excited. 50 and in isn't even a thought in my mind with that gun. If you take your time and you're not out of your mind excited over the bird, that bird's gonna die. This is a 410. This is not a 12 gauge. It's a 410. Something to think about. Yes, TSS costs a lot of money. It's also 60% heavier than lead while maintaining the same size. So naturally it's going to cost more. So something to think about. I don't even care how big he is. He looks like he's got a big beard. I can't see his spurs yet. Dropped him with the 410. I'm gonna say that was about 40. A huge thank you goes out to Bryce Hensley for the amazing 410 rounds, the 383 strokers. That was a 383 stroker, 9.5, and I knocked him off of his feet at 40 yards. He got smoked, so pretty cool. We're gonna get some different cuts here and get this bird cleaned up and go home and surprise the wife. Let her know that it's not as stressful around the leopard household. So pumped. Let us know in the comments what you think of the review, TSS versus lead. Go check out Fox Trot Ammo on Facebook and throw them a like and a follow. They make some amazing ammo, and not just for turkeys, coyotes as well, and some other things that you can chase. And then also, if you could do us a favor and go check out the Mobile Hunters Expo business page. We're hosting that July 29th through 31st, and it's designed to help you shop mobile hunting gear for deer. Saddles, sticks, steps, stands, you name it. You'll be able to shop gear, get personal time with vendors to talk to them about their products. And then also we're going to have some really, really good deer hunters to put on some seminars with using your gear, as well as how to track down these big deer and get them on the ground. So thanks to everybody for tuning in, and have a great day.